What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. Inside this training video, what I want to reveal to you is how you can realistically start making your first $1,000 inside affiliate marketing. Now, if you clicked on this video, you may already know what affiliate marketing is, but if you don't, what it basically means is that you don't have to create the products online, you don't have to create your own sales pages and do all that trial and error and testing. You can just find products online that are already selling well, you recommend people that are already interested in that product to it, and when they buy through your affiliate link, you make money. Okay, now what I'm going to do in this video is two things. The first thing is I'm going to break down how you can actually start making $1,000, and then what I'm going to share with you is how you can start to scale that to continually make thousands of dollars worth of commissions over the next few weeks, months, and years, and really create the results you want down the line as well, okay? But if you're brand new to my channel and you're watching this on YouTube and you don't want to miss out on my latest videos, be sure to go down below, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest step-by-step and powerful videos. But without further ado, let me go ahead and break this down, okay? So, chances are a lot of people that watch my videos, they've tried to do affiliate marketing in the past, and maybe you can relate to this, right? You've gone on sites like maybe Clickbank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, you've gotten your affiliate link, maybe you've gone on Facebook, you've gone to Facebook groups, you've posted on Instagram, and it just does not seem like people are joining, or if they do join, and you look at the earning amount, it almost feels like a punch in the gut because you feel so frustrated at how tiny and itsy bitsy and teeny weeny that little commission check actually is. So you're scratching your head, you're doing research on Google and YouTube, and you're thinking, how in the world can I start making good money and at least $1,000 to really prove to myself and my family that this works, right? Well, what you want to realize is, if you want to make $1,000 as fast as possible, you do not want to be going to, Clickbank or other sites like this, okay? Why? Because if you go to Clickbank, now there is the rare exception, but even when you find something that kind of has what I'm going to share with you, it's still not really up to par, and it's not going to have many different income streams to really grow and scale if you do want to quit a job and provide long-term for you and your family. So why do I not recommend Clickbank? If you go to Clickbank and you go to the marketplace and you want to make, let's say, thousands of dollars, right? If you get your link and you promote that and make a commission, you're only going to make, on average about, 30 to 40% of the money when you make a sale. So the 60%, the bulk of that money is going to go to the product owner and Clickbank, okay? So why is this bad? Well, because if you want to make, let's say, $1,000, okay, and you're going out there and you're promoting a product, if you can see this, let me bring this in because this is incredibly powerful information I've never quite shared in this video. So if you promote something that's $1,000, okay, or you want to make $1,000 rather, and let's say you only make, even $100 per sale, which again on Clickbank and JVZoo is actually pretty rare. Usually you'll make about $25 to $50 a sale, but let's just be really, lenient and say you make $100. Well, here's the issue. If you want to make $1,000 and you've never made money online before, if you've struggled to make consistent affiliate marketing sales, you would need, 10 people to hit $1,000. Okay. Now, if you want to make, let's say, $5,000 a month, it depends on what your income goal is. And by the way, wherever you're watching this, comment below how much money per month you're actually looking to make so I can guide you in these future videos as you continue watching. But let's say you want to make even, $3,000 a month or, $10,000 a month. But let's just make it even less. Okay. So let's say $3,000 a month. Well, you would need 10 people, to make 1,000. So to make 3,000, you would need 30 people, per month. And it keeps increasing dramatically, obviously, as you increase your income goal. Why is this a problem? Well, because if you're only going to Clickbank and JVZoo and only making $100 per commission, you're going to need a small country under you to make any good money, right? And I know because this is what I tried to do the first 3 years online, and it was left frustrated. I was left confused. Instead, what is the solution? Okay, what is the solution as you continue to pay close attention to this powerful video? Because what I'm going to share with you towards the end of the video on how to rapidly start getting sales is going to blow your mind, and your jaws virtually going to be on the floor as you see the power of this concept. But instead, what I highly recommend you do is you do high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, what is high ticket affiliate marketing? Basically what it is where you can earn significantly more per sale doing the same work. So you could actually go out there online, find a product that pays you $1,000, and you would only need 3 people, okay, to hit your $3,000 a month goal. You would only need 1 person to hit the first $1,000, okay? So you could literally find a high ticket affiliate marketing product that pays you $1,000, go out there, promote it, heck, even recommend your friend to join it if they're interested, and you can make your first $1,000 commission virtually the next day in some cases, okay? So now, real quick, I'm gonna share with you that there's a link below. If, by the way, a lot of people are asking me, how do I find a high ticket affiliate marketing product to promote that's actually going to give you multiple different income streams and is converting incredibly well? There's going to be a link below for people that are watching this very eagerly and are interested in checking that out. But now what I want to do is, now that you realize, again, just sheer logic, that it's going to be way easier to get, 3 people, okay, than 30 or more every single month, right? So high ticket, and as I erase this and get to exactly how to start making high ticket affiliate marketing sales online, the #1 strategy to do it fast if you're brand new, if you have no previous experience, if you don't have much technical ability, what I want to share is to overcome a quick objection. A lot of people think it's actually harder to sell these more, a little bit more higher price point products, and it's actually easier. And just to get into that just very quickly, the reason it's easier is because if you try to sell a low product, like a $25 product or even a $100 product, the people that typically join at those levels are not serious, okay? They're just, they're like, oh, let me see how it works. Let me dip my toe in the water. I hope it works. They're not sold on their dream. They're not sold on the vision. So those people are kind of, tire kickers. They're not really who you want. But when you start selling these higher price points and you get people to join at the $1,000 level, you get people to invest $500, these people are serious, and these people are actually going to run with you and apply the training, okay? Now what I want to do is how to get high ticket sales fast, okay? This strategy alone is going to allow you to, once you find a high ticket product to promote that pays you, let's say $1,000, how do you make that first $1,000 commission so you instantly make your first $1,000 in affiliate marketing, realize it's possible, realize your power, and then you can just start to scale it even faster. What you want to do, very simple. Okay, this concept is incredibly powerful. What you want to do is go online, step 1, okay, go to a social media site, okay, could be Facebook, it could be Twitter, could be Instagram, Snapchat. #2, you want to share results of it working, okay? So let's say it is a make money online product that you're wanting to promote. What you would do is you would go to social media, let's say Facebook, and you would share results, whether a screenshot, whether it's a payment deposit, an email commission notification that you got, you would share that result on Facebook. And when people see that result, they're going to get curious and they're going to realize that it actually works. And what's going to happen is they're going to ask for info. Okay? They'll ask for info and you just send the info to them. And what I mean by that is the sales page, the capture page, whatever sales material your affiliate marketing program has, you would send them the information, whoever's reaching out when you share the results, okay? This is gonna allow you to get your first commission. Now, if you're watching this video and you may be wondering, well, Garrett, what if I don't have any results? You wanna share results of other people. Leverage your team, leverage the other people inside the affiliate marketing business, and that will get you to generate your own result. And then once you have your own result, you can now share that yourself, and that will keep getting you more and more sales. You just want to keep leveraging your last result to get your next result. Okay, so this is absolutely incredible. If you're watching this though and you don't know how to get results, or you're in something right now that a lot of people are not getting results around you, there's going to be, again, a link below where you can check out my #1 recommended system to have high ticket affiliate products to promote, as well as to get tons and tons of results to share of other people to start making your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. So there we have it, my friend. If you like this video, you want me to make more, be sure to click the like button below. Also be sure to comment what you want me to cover next. What was your breakthrough in this video? How are you going to apply it? And last but not least, if you're brand new to my channel, you never want to miss out on my latest step-by-step videos, click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're always notified of my daily training. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.